Hey, what's going on, guys? In this video we are going to take a look at number systems. Here we are going to see the conversion from decimal to binary and binary to decimal. Let's see how to do this. First of all, let's look at the decimal. Decimal, it goes up to 9. It starts from 0 and goes up to 9. Decimal mean it's 10. So 0 to 9, it's already 10 values. So it will start from 0 and end at 9. Okay, let's look at a decimal number. Let's say 294. Decimal base is 10, and let's look at the weight of this number. First number always start with 0. If it's decimal, it's 10 power 0. 10 power 0, that's equal to 1. This is the weight of this one is 10 power 1, that's equal to 10. And then this one, the weight of this one is 10 power 2, 100. It's always start from 0, 1, 2. It goes 0, 1, 2 like this. Now 1 times this one, that is 4, plus 9 times 10 plus 100 times 2, you will get this number back, 294. This is the decimal number. Now let's see how can we write if we have a decimal with a fraction 15.214. Now we know that before the fraction point, this will start with 10 power 0, 10 power 0, and this one is 10 power 1. But what if it's before? Before mean we will go other way, 10 power minus 1, and it will increase after that. The power minus will increase, minus 2, and this one 10 power minus 3. And if you again, you can do this the same way as it is. 10 power 0 is 1, 10 power 1 is 10, 10 power minus 1 is 1 over 10, 10 power minus 2 is 1 over 100, and 10 power minus 3 is 1 over 1000. And if you multiply and add them, 10 times 1 plus 5 times 1 plus 2 times 1 over 10 plus 1 times 1 over 100 plus 4 times 1 over 1000, you will get the same answer as this, 15.214. Now let's look at a binary number. Binary is, if it's decimal, it goes from 0 to 9. Decimal base is 10, so we will have 1 less than that, 9. If it's binary is 2, so it will goes up to 1. 0 to 1, and 1 is 1 less than 2, so it will finish at 1. Sorry. Now let's continue. Let's look at a binary number. Let's say we have 1 0 1 1 0 1. Now how to convert this one into decimal? To convert this one into decimal, again same as decimal, we look at, for the first value it start from 10 power 0, this for decimal, but for binary it's 2 power 0. 2 power 0, that is 1, then 2 power 1, that is 2, 2 power 3 is equal to 8, and then 2 power 4 is equal to 16, 2 power 5 is equal to 32, and 2 power 5 is equal to 32. Let's see, 2 power 0, 2 power 1, this one 2 power 2, that's 4, 2 power 3, 8. Let me erase this. This one is 8. This one is 2 power 4, 16. 2 power 3, 8. 2 power 2, 4. And this one is 2 power 5, that is 32. Now we just try to multiply and add them together. 32 times 1 plus 0 times 0, we can just neglect that. Whatever the value with 0, we can just neglect that one. Here we have 1 at 8th place, so 8 times 1 plus we have 1 at 4th place, 4 times 1, 0, neglect that one, and we have 1 times 1 plus 1 times 1, and if you add them together you will get 45. Alexa, what is 1 plus 4 plus 8 plus 32?
The answer to your calculation is 45.
So we will get 45. 45 base 10. Now that's how we convert a binary number to decimal. Now let's see how to convert a decimal number to binary. To convert that one, let's look at an example. Here let's say we have a decimal number 59, decimal base 10. Now to convert this one into binary, the question is to convert into base 2 binary. Now to convert this one into binary, what we have to do is we have to divide this one by 2 until we get 0. So 59 divided by 2, what we will get? 29, that will give us 58. 29, 58, and we will have a remainder of 1. And then 29 divided by 2, we will get 14 and the remainder is 1. And 14 divided by 2, we will get 7, the remainder is 0. Sorry. Now we have 7 divided by 2, we will get 3 and the remainder will be 1, and 3 divided by 2, we will get 1 and the remainder also will be 1, and 1 divided by 2, it's 0 and the remainder is 1. So when we get 0, we stop right there and start writing the answer from bottom to top. This is going to be the binary value of this 59, and if you write from bottom to top, you will get 111011, 111011, this one base 2. Okay, 111011. Okay, now let's look at another number. 21.75 base 10. Base 10. Now let's go ahead and divide again, but here we had to treat this fraction values separately and this one separately, the whole number separately. 21 is a whole number. Let's take that one alone and divide this one by 2 until we get 0. If you divide this one by 2, you will get 10 and the remainder is 1, and 10 divided by 2, you will get 5 and the remainder is 0. 5 divided by 2, you will get 2 and the remainder is 1, and 2 divided by 2, you will get 1 and the remainder is 0, and 1 divided by 2, you will get 0 and the remainder is 1. So this is going to be just 1 0 1 0 1, and the base is 2, and this one also base is 2. Okay, now this one is for here, and now then we have a fraction value 0.75, and if you multiply this one by 2, you have to multiply this one by 2, and if you multiply this one by 2, you will get 1.5. 1 plus 0.5, so we get 1 plus 0.5. So the conversion is basically 1 of here it goes from bottom to top, 10101 base 2, 10101 base 2, and we can just neglect this one. Let's look at another example. Let's say sorry, let's get rid of all these things. Okay, let's look at another example with fraction. To see it very clearly, I take this number 6.28 base 10. Now 6 is a whole number. Let's take that one alone. Divide this one by 2. You will get 3 and the remainder is 0. And 3 divided by 2, you will get 1 and the remainder is 1. And 1 divided by 2, you will get 0 and the remainder is 1. So you will get 1, 1, 0. This is for the whole number. Now let's take the fraction number. Fraction number we have to multiply until we get a whole number. So 0.28 multiplied by 2, that is 0 plus 0.56. 0.56 multiplied by 2. Excuse me. 1 plus 0.12, and then 0 plus 0.12 times 2, you will get 0 plus 0.24, and then 0.24 times 2, you will get 0 plus 0.48. Okay, let me cut my call. Okay, then 0.48 multiply by 2, you will get 0.96. Okay, let me finish this one fast. I have a call. 0.96, and that one is 0 here. 0 plus 0.96 and then 0.96 times 2, we will get 1 plus 0.92, and it goes on and on and on. You can stop anywhere you want, because if it's continuously going, you can stop it anytime. And but for this one, if the fraction point, it goes from top to bottom. So this is 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. And you can continuously keep going. If it's if you want 8 numbers, you can keep going until you get 8 number, and you can keep doing that. And that's how we convert from decimal to binary and binary to decimal. I hope you guys find this video helpful. Thanks for watching. And if you are trying to learn digital logic design or computer architecture, there are a bunch of videos in my playlist. I hope you guys watch that too. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.